Hello my people! On today's episode of Ology and Translation Oríkì àti Ìtumọ̀, we have Oriki Oyo. Ọ̀yọ́ níbi ìtàn tí ìgbẹ́ kọ́ lọ́wọ́ gbọ́wọ́. Kí ìwọ̀fà ó dàtọwọ́ rẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Oyo wey dey urge the creditor to demand their pay, yet urge the debtor to repudiate their debts. Àṣekọ́lé bá di ìjà kò lè bá dápọ́n ni. Kọ́ba ládéyẹ rí lè rí òun jẹ. Just for conflict to ensue, for the benefit of the king. Ọ̀yọ́ ọmọ Aláàfin òjò pàṣẹkẹrẹ mọ́dẹ ọmọ Àtìbà. Oyo the descendant of Aláàfin, wherein beats Ṣẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ and the Ṣẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ remains strong. The child of Atiba. Ṣẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ is a musical instrument. Ọ̀yọ́ lágbìn gbàdọ̀ ọ̀ràn sẹ́yìn ìkúlé lẹ́yìn ìkúlé. Lẹ́yìn ìkúlé ò gbọ́dọ̀ yájẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò sì gbọ́dọ̀ tún dànù. Oyo that plants corns of trouble in another man's compound, which he must not harvest nor weed off. Ọmọ ikó tí kò lè pa àrùn tárùn lè ṣe. Òfò tó fọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe ràn bàbá tó bí yín lọ́mú. Child of death that death cannot kill. Child of pestilence that cannot be tied down by sickness. Child of calamity whom calamity cannot befall. Àjíṣebí Ọ̀yọ́ làárí, Ọ̀yọ́ ní ṣebí bàbá ẹnìkan. You can only see Oyo imitant. Oyo would never imitate anyone. Yes, so Àjíṣebí Ọ̀yọ́ làárí, yóò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹnìkan. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends and family. Bye. See you some other time.